This is my rabbits. That is how I keep my rabbits. This is how I keep my rabbits. So these are the young ones, and you can see this. This is my rabbit. You can see. Very simple to keep. If you want, you can keep, because they don't consume a lot of food. Just little food you give them all the time. Little food. That is the mother. See, these are the young ones. So this is how the rabbits. Very simple. It can't even consume a very big space. You just build something small, and you keep. And its meat also very good. It look like the one of you can enjoy and enjoy. Somebody never even see the rabbits. These are the rabbits. This is the mother. You can see the mother. Exactly, that's the mother. So you can see this exactly. Now I have to feed them, give them this. I'm feeding, and you see how they look. They are very healthy. Actually very healthy. Very healthy. You can see. So that the father, this is the young one. Okay, he wanted to go here. Okay, you can see them. Very nice, very nice. Keeping rabbits is very good in Africa. And that is what we call it, baka. Very nice. It looks nice, and this one looks nice. So these are my project. You also you can keep if you want. You can keep. Keeping this thing is not bad. It's not bad at all. It's very simple to keep. So it doesn't take much time. It's just like that. So that is how it looks like. You can see the house. This is its house. Their houses is just simple, like as you are seeing. It's not something what up there you put the iron sheets, and here they put their the bow, and that's just simple house. You just build simple house, not cheap, not expensive, just very cheap. You can just put a simple house. So that is how it looks. Can you see? And this is the structure of the house. Very simple, like as you are seeing, very simple. So that is how you can keep rabbits. Keeping rabbits is very simple. So that is how I built the house, and I put it there up. That is where the house look like, where you can see the structures. It doesn't even take a big place. Even if you have a small space, you can still keep your rabbits, and you put small houses for them. I think this is how my project will work, and the next time I will give you more details about it. You just subscribe to my channel and you will know more and everything.